Well, hello, this is going to be a new kind of tutorial. We're going to go over non-stall overlords. If you have had problems with it, watch this video. We'll break it down, follow along. It's going to be no nonsense. I got this clipboard, I'm talking nonsense. Let's just get started, shall we? Prerequisites, we want an overlord. We have a dragon rat overlord. Or you have, I don't know what this is called, but this one right here. Alright, we need at least one of those for a prerequisite. So, grab your rope dart and follow along. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do a drill. Doesn't matter if you have a dragon rat overlord or the other one. It'll all work out in the end. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this dart, we're going to grab it with our anchor hand. We're just going to pull it up just like that and make sure you have a straight line going down. Next, you're going to imagine this is a stick or a broomstick, and you're going to take this elbow and you're just, you're mad at the stick. You're going to power through. You're just going to power through all the way around. From here, 360. Power through it. You're going to drop this hand right here over your neck. So, hit, turn. Whenever you do this drill, I want you to really focus on this push right here. You're going to feel it, because if I'm holding it here, it's hanging. So whenever I turn, it's also pulling. Now, we're going to step on it this time. We're going to step on it with our foot. We're going to hold it like that, hit, and feel that tension. Feel that tension. Turn, and arms up just like this. You got this wrapped over this one. And with the overlord, it's going to hit the shoulder. What I want you to do is get used to this feeling right here. Hit and turn. All right, next we're going to work on our steps. We're going to stand either sideways if you're doing the sideways overlord, or dragon wrap, both feet squared just like this. But either way, you're going to take your anchor foot, you're going to step over to the side. If you're sideways, you're just going to step in front like this. So here, step. Next, step, turn. Look over your shoulder, lift this knee up, and step forward. Okay, one more time. Here, step, turn, knee, step. Okay? Now, the sideways one. Here, step, turn, look. Here, one more time. I'm a little bit fast there. From here, step, turn, knee, and step. All right, the next thing I want to go over is lines. Lines are very important. Whenever you do this move, you want to think about it as you're putting your body in the way of the dart. You're not bringing the dart to your body. So, if I was to do this motion right here, the no-stall overlord is this, but you're just putting your body in the way while it's doing this. Try to spot it. All it is, you're putting your body in the way. So that being said, you want to make sure, if I'm on this side when I'm spinning on this line. If I'm spinning it on this side of my body, I'm spinning on this line. No matter what overlord you're doing, if you're doing the sideways one, you want to make sure you're on that line whenever you drop it on your shoulder. If you're on a dragon wrap, you want to make sure you throw it straight over on a straight line. Now, we're going to put it all together. All of it. Steps in the drill. But now, that drill, remember, that feeling where it was right here, and whenever you turned, you felt that tension the whole way. Whenever you do your normal overlords, you want to wait until it's on the way up, because if it's on the way up, it's pulling. Whenever it's pulling, you have tension. Tension just like if you were doing the drill. And also, if you aren't lifting your elbows on your normal overload, on your normal overlords, on your normal overlords, then you better start doing it, because it is a great way to generate power if you need to. Whenever you go, lift and turn. Now, just like the drill, you're going to imagine you're holding this rope here, turn, and leave that elbow out. So, straight line, drill, turn, and elbow. Okay? Try it again with me. Straight line, elbow lift, turn, and elbow. One more time. Here, straight line, lift, and elbow. From here, you can either do a frontwards elbow shot here, or you can do a reverse. Ah! All right. Is that everything? Let's do a little bit extra. If you can do it with a dragon wrap, you can also do it with a dark dragon wrap on the other side. So just dog sit, straight line this way. From here, you're gonna turn into it with that elbow up. So up, lift, turn. From here, do an elbow shot forwards or behind. So forwards or behind. Wow. All right, I think that about covers it. I hope this format actually works well. If you all found it helpful, let me know in the comments. And if a lot of people seem to like it, I'll do more of it. It's a lot easier to edit. But thank you for watching. Good luck on your rope dart journey. And I hope to see you in my next video. Wata!